What is antifreeze and what does it do? Have you ever wondered what keeps your car's engine from overheating or freezing up? Today, we are going to talk about antifreeze and its important role in car maintenance. Antifreeze, also known as coolant, is a liquid that you add to your car's radiator and cooling system. Its main job is to help control your engine's temperature, ensuring it does not get too hot or too cold. This is vital because engines generate a lot of heat when they run. If that heat is not managed properly, the engine can overheat and suffer damage. So, how does antifreeze work? Typically, antifreeze is a mixture of water and chemicals like ethylene glycol or propylene glycol. When combined with water, antifreeze alters the boiling and freezing points of the liquid in your engine. For instance, plain water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, a 50-50 mix of water and antifreeze will not freeze until around -35 degrees Fahrenheit and will not boil until about 223 degrees Fahrenheit. This means your car can handle both freezing winter days and hot summer drives without the liquid in your engine turning to ice or boiling away. The antifreeze mixture circulates through your engine, absorbing heat from the engine block and transporting it to the radiator. The radiator cools the liquid down before it returns to the engine to collect more heat. This continuous cycle keeps your engine at a safe and steady temperature. For teenagers learning about car maintenance, understanding antifreeze is essential. Checking and maintaining the right antifreeze level is a basic skill that can help you avoid costly repairs. If you do not have enough antifreeze, your engine could overheat on a hot day or freeze and crack in cold weather, both of which can lead to serious issues. Here are some important tips to remember. Check your antifreeze level regularly, especially before long trips or when the seasons change. Always check the level when the engine is cool to avoid burns from hot liquid. Most cars need the antifreeze mixture replaced every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Be sure to consult your owner's manual for specific details. Never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot, as the pressure can cause boiling liquid to spray out. If you notice a puddle of brightly colored liquid under your car, it may indicate a coolant leak, and you should have it checked out. In summary, antifreeze is a simple yet essential part of car care. By understanding what it does and how to check it, you are taking a smart step toward being a responsible car owner and keeping your vehicle running smoothly.